Figured I'd show y'all how to collapse the pistons on the caliper for a 2007 F-150 5.4 FX4 and any other F-150 Expedition type vehicles within this generation gap, 04 to 08. This is a new caliper, it's just got rust on it, but I just did it to this side already. But take the whole thing off, you're gonna leave your brake line dripping. You know, it sucks to suck, but just fucking put brake fluid in it or something. But you're gonna put your tire iron down on one side of the piston, on the flat part, one side under your boot, and then put some weight on it. Kind of bounce it, rock it. She's gonna squirt out some brake fluid, but look at that, flush. Simple fix. I know it's a bitch not having a C-clamp and doing that bullshit where you put a tire iron in the damn groove of the rotor and everything. It's how you fuck up your rotor, like that right there, all that kind of shit. But there you go.